Gold made a bearish breakout yesterday below 3655.23, where we can see the price has made a bearish break below this area of support, and currently the price is stopped at very close to this area here around 3640, and the price was trying to move further down. We can see the wick on the lower side, but after that the price retraced back up. The price also tried to move higher to the higher price levels, which means retracing from this area of support. After the price formed this bearish engulfing candle, the price could not continue to rise in value, but the price continued to lose its value going below this area of support, and we can see how the price is formed this bearish candle with the wicks on the upper side and the wicks on the lower side. If we go to the 4-hour time frame, we'll see how the price has behaved yesterday. After the price has made when the price has reached this area of support, we can see that the price was trying to move further down yesterday, and then the price has retraced back up. But first of all, the price has reached this area of support and then retraced back up, trying to return back above this area of resistance 3655.23. But then after that the price continued to lose its value again, reaching again this area of support 3630.71. From here, when the price has reached this area of support, the price has made several indecision candles, which means the fight between the buyers and the sellers, and we can see that currently the price is trying to reach this area of resistance 3655.23, but we'll see how the price will behave in this area. On the 1-hour time frame, if you take a look since yesterday, in the morning when I have made the analysis, the price was around this area here, and then the price has formed this small bearish breakout below this area of support, which I have shared inside the premium analysis with the traders, targeting here, and then the price has reached this area of support and successfully reached the target. So this breakout, which has been shared inside the premium analysis, was successful and profitable. Feel free to check the link below in the description if you would like to join also other traders inside the premium analysis. After that, we can see the price has reached this area of support 3637.21 and then retrace back up with strong bullish candle, where the price continued to rise in value. Here the price has formed a bullish breakout above this area of resistance and then could not continue to rise in value, but then returned back down again with a strong bearish momentum. It seems that this strong bearish momentum that has created this candle is still active around this area here, and it is pushing the price down. But also the price, the buyers who are waiting here, which is a demand zone, is preventing the price from falling further down. Here in this example, with this bearish candle, which is pretty strong one, has tried to push down the price further down below this area of support, but unsuccessfully. We can see the price immediately return back up, and then since then we can see the price is held between this area of resistance and this area of support. If we zoom out a little bit, we will see that the price is currently inside a small range area between the support and the resistance, and we can easily see that on the 4-hour time frame, which is much more clearly visible. Here the price several days ago and also weeks, we can see that the price was moving up and down between this area of resistance and this area of support, and the price is currently again is inside this range area, and we can see several candles formed like indecision candles, which means there needs to be a breakout, clean breakout from this area of resistance and support for the price in order to see where the price could go. On the daily time frame, yesterday I have said that there is an opportunity that the price reverses back up because of this bullish momentum that is still active and it's pushing the price up. It seems that the bears who have created this bearish engulfing candle have much more strength than the buyers have, but here at this position the buyers are also strong enough to prevent the price from falling further down. Now what we can expect today, what the price could go, in which direction the price could go. This area of resistance, this area of support is very important support and resistance levels that needs to be broken. So first step is to wait until the price makes a bullish breakout going above this area of resistance or bearish breakout going below this area of support. Now based on what we have seen yesterday, we can see that the price has currently formed a bearish breakout below this area of support, and it is continued this bearish engulfing candle signal, which means there is still bearish pressure pushing the price further down. So there is opportunity, and also there is a chance that during the day the price tries to move further down, which means going below this area of support, targeting lower levels like 3630.71 and 3620.44. 3620, if we take a look on the daily time frame, 3620 is the lower side of these candles, and also it is a very important support level before the strong one, 3609.01. If I take a look here on the 3630.71, which is the first support level that will hold the price, 3630.71. This means on the daily time frame, 3630, here it is. It is also the low of these candles, we can see that here, which is also preventing the price from falling down. So these are very important support levels that are preventing the price from falling down, but also the daily resistance that is preventing the price from rising in value. So the best is to wait outside of this until the price makes breakout of outside of this range area. Today is also the Friday, which means there is possibility that there will be some kind of volatility, especially in the afternoon, which could also trigger the price making bullish or bearish breakout. So it is the best to wait until the price makes a move and then follow the market to be sure that the price has managed to make a breakout with a strong momentum behind it, and then follow that move. So you are risking less than waiting and also predicting where the breakout will happen. So if you have any questions or comments regarding this scenario today, what do you expect where the price could go? Will it go up, or it will stay inside this range area? Feel free to share inside the comments below the video. That's all for today. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.